Welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you how to update your Mailchimp verification phone number to keep your account secure. Best, log into your Mailchimp account and head to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile icon, then select Profile from the drop-down menu. On your profile page, go to Settings, then choose Contact Information. Here you'll see your current phone number. Now click Edit next to your phone number, delete the old one and type in your new number. Double check it for accuracy to avoid any login issues. Once you're sure, click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. You've successfully updated your Mailchimp verification phone number. Keeping your contact info up to date is one of the easiest ways to protect your account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick guides. Stay secure and happy emailing.